Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to unstar a contact in WhatsApp chat on your Android device. Unstarring a contact removes the star icon and helps you organize your chats. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Next, select the chat where the starred contact is located. Step 3. Scroll through the chat list and find the contact with the star icon. Step 4. Now, tap the star icon at the top of the screen. This will unstar the contact and remove the star icon. And there you have it. You've successfully unstarred a contact in your WhatsApp chat. It's as simple as that. Unstarring contacts in WhatsApp chats allows you to keep your chats organized and remove unnecessary starred contacts. Remember to follow these steps whenever you want to unstar a contact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.